of the experiment is to learn how a windmill works by creating a simple paper windmill. Material required for this experiment is a square piece of paper of size 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter, a pencil with an eraser on top or a thin stick, some push pins or drawing pins, scissors, a ruler, glue or tape.
Let us now make a paper windmill. I have taken a sheet of paper that is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters in size. Fold it diagonally and then give it another fold like this. You'll get a shape like this. Mark points at approximately 2 centimeters from the center on all the 4 lines that you can see here and give it a cut. Cut it along all the 4 sides. So you'll get something like this. Now fold it along the corners like this. Hold it from the center. So you'll get a wheel like this. You can paste these at the center. This will make it more convenient for you to handle the paper windmill. Just paste it slightly using some Fevicol or glue like this. Just apply a small amount of it. This will hold it well. Let it dry. Your wheel is ready. Now you just need to fix it on a support. So I am using a pencil with a eraser here, and I'll use this oil pin, or you can even use a push pin or a thumb pin. Just pierce this oil pin through the center of this wheel and then through the eraser that is there behind the pencil. And your paper windmill is ready. Just hold it against wind and you will see the blades rotate freely. You can also try blowing it with your mouth and you can see the windmill in action. So this is how you can make a paper windmill.
The conclusion that we can draw from this experiment is that moving air exerts a force on the blades of the windmill which causes them to spin.